Hello ladies and welcome to today's behind the scenes. Well, today we have Cut Loose.
Welcome lovelies. An exciting day in the boutique. Cut Loose is here again. Summer. Lots of white and light and
beautiful.
airy.
We have curated some beautiful outfits for you. We have two basics in two different colors, black and white. We're doing a bit of a black and white classic for you. We love that, don't we?
We love it.
Pop it up with some red. And then we have a whole bunch of pieces to intermingle with these two blank palettes. So we're very excited to open that up for you. We'll open it in a second. But speaking of, we are quite colorful today.
Are we
speaking
ever?
of black and white, we're nothing but. We're just some color.
What can we say about this?
I know.
All we can say is wow.
I know.
It's so wow.
Gorgeous.
It's beautiful. Alambika, right. I have my tank tops on and the collars in this beautiful oversized shirt. And the linen, it's just fabulous.
Wonderful, isn't it? Doesn't it feel great?
It has the buttons. It's not a shirt really, it's a dress tunic and big pockets, and as you can see, a small medium I'm wearing.
Small, there's three sizes or two sizes?
I feel there's two sizes.
Yeah.
Over anything on its own as well, right? With a skinny pair of white pants over your bathing suit.
Beautiful colors. I love the colors.
Yeah.
How they have that pop of pink there. It's absolutely gorgeous. Which is the same. I know. Same. That's what kind of matched our outfits. Wow, this dress is gorgeous.
Oh my goodness.
We also have it in navy, ladies. It has pockets here, which is awesome. Beautiful cowl, nice sleeve length.
This is Grisa's.
This is Grisa's.
Silk.
Yeah, picked out some nice black and white stripe to look at how cute.
Adorable.
I know.
You can so play with
these are my favorites of the I love this. The two pinks to go. It's gorgeous. Yeah. So, all right, without further ado, let's get after it.
To look at. So, let's go.
Well, I think I'm going to pull out my most favorite piece, and it's like the cutest thing ever, and you're going to love it, but I've not seen it with Cut Loose before.
Oh, Tessa.
I know.
I don't know, lovelies, but I have a weakness for little vests.
I know.
I do. Yeah. It's so cute.
It's so cute. It's just like a little cutie. And we're going to style these up for you tomorrow.
Is this in black?
Just in black.
Very good.
Right?
Beautiful pearly, mother of pearl.
Pearls. You can wear this open, ladies, or closed. This is an extra small, so it is fitting a bit snug, which is nice. But
that's what you like.
Yeah. But,
and it's got these beautiful lines in the back too.
Just a little shell.
Oh, I love it.
I know. I can't wait to style that up. That's going to be wonderful. So I spoke about two blank palettes. So I'm going to start with the first blank palette. And like I said, we did it in black and in white. And it is this gorgeous linen skirt. This is new from Cut Loose, ladies.
A new design? Oh, yeah.
Look at.
Oh, cute.
Cute, eh, Mom?
Ooh, look how saucy.
I know. So both sides have this slit, but just how it falls, the slit comes past your knee.
Very nice.
Elastic band.
Pockets.
Nice
waistband.
Beautiful waistband. Yeah. Definitely size up, ladies, because you don't want it digging in. And then, of course, you have the flow anyway. So don't be afraid to size up in that.
This is even cute together. This
I know.
With a little white t-shirt.
It's so cool.
Woey. And then the white.
And then the white, yes. Beautiful
what a
white.
Beautiful design.
Beautiful.
It's got a big, huge finished band here along the slit.
Ladies, just a heads up a little bit, but that's okay.
We're getting the red panties out.
The red panties. But that's white linen for you. I mean, right?
Yeah,
that's the beauty of it.
Yeah.
You can wear a slip under it for sure if you like.
Oh, for sure.
Or layer it up.
Yeah.
Maybe I'll show you the other basics so then you know what we're getting. I know. Black and white. It's like so much fun.
Yeah.
Honestly, I can't wait to style them up. So here is the other basics. And it's not a basic, but it's just a shell, right? It's like your blank palette that you're gonna.
Beautiful. Oh, this is
also a new
design
for
Cut
Loose.
It.
an awesome
This will flow
maxi
beautifully. Yeah.
maxi dress. And look, it has like t-shirt on
Yeah.
on the hemline here.
Unfinished.
Unfinished, so it's rolling.
It curls.
Yeah.
Lovely.
Pockets, of course.
Yeah. Oh, this is lovely.
I remember trying this on when I bought the collection, and it feels like $1 million.
Yeah, you can tell this design is gorgeous.
And it fits true to size.
Yeah.
Beautiful fit.
Oh, I love,
So
love.
now we're gonna play. You can even wear the vest over.
Yeah.
Yeah, just open up the vest,
Oh, yeah.
or close it up and wear it over.
Oh, yeah,
So
yeah.
cute.
Oh, my.
Our last drop with Cut Loose, or one of the spring drops, we got in these cardies, these free size cardies that did so well.
Yeah.
So we ordered them in these colors.
Oh, what a gorgeous color.
This is the coconut.
Coconut.
So if you have the coconut tank or
Yes.
pants that we got in, this
Yeah.
is going to match it beautifully. But we also thought that it would go so gorgeous over the white and the black.
Both.
Like such a
Look at
beautiful.
this.
Look at how
How artsy is this?
Yeah.
Earth tone over black. I
so
love that.
classic too, right?
Yeah.
Just such a beautiful color.
Yeah.
And this fabric is wonderful, wonderful to travel with as
Yeah.
well. And then white. And again, you can go with the skirts or over the dresses.
Yeah.
It's going to be so much fun to style up tomorrow.
Oh, on those hot days.
Yeah.
This
And
is
then
your-
nice elongated necklace.
Right?
Pop it up with some color in your accessories.
A little Lousje and Bean silk scarf that is so light and
Light
airy.
and fun.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So 3 colors.
Three
Black,
colors.
white,
And
and
coconut. Yeah.
Beautiful.
This is so rich,
Yeah.
eh? Like it's just so beautiful.
beautiful.
Beautiful. Okay, and then I'm gonna save. Okay, and then next is now as you know, we love our free size boxy tops.
Yeah.
So we did these from Cut Loose this season, this summer season. Look at how
Oh, how
cute. They've
cute.
blocked the
Oh
arms.
my goodness, I love it. What would you call this color? It's quite
Anthracite.
unusual. Anthracite, of course.
Yeah, the gray.
Yeah. Oh, I love it.
Yeah, beautiful.
Very cute.
We have the anthracite. I don't know if we have any left, the barrel pants, but this top would go beautiful with those.
If you
you already
have,
own
yes.
them. And then we, of course, did it in the black as well.
Yeah.
And this fabric is really cool because it has texture to it.
Yeah.
But
Oh,
these,
very
like, you
nice.
can just wear these over any of your...
Yeah.
So we're going to pair them up over the dresses and with the skirts.
Lovely. Tessa.
Lovely, eh, Mom?
Lovely, yeah.
I know. And then,
And when you wear it, this really shows, hey?
Yeah,
Because it's a
little
little
see-through.
See-through.
yeah,
Oh, lovely.
just a little
lovely.
sheer. So, and then a beautiful crisp white.
Love.
Love, love, love. It's so great. Isn't it beautiful?
It's a love-in.
It's a what?
A love-in, that's what they
Oh, I
would
love
call
it.
in the hippie years, right?
Oh, yeah?
People
Well, I don't know
smoked
those days.
doobies and they just were loving everything.
Oh, okay. Well, we always love everything that comes in because
Yeah,
we get
that's
to pick
true.
it. So
Yeah.
I feel like, okay, here's the last piece and the piece de resistance. I shouldn't say that, but I think you lovelies are going to go nuts.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. But this is a shirt.
Oh, how feminine is that?
I know.
Oh, it's darling, Tessa.
I know.
Oh, absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah. So they pre-wash all the fabrics, ladies. So it's got
Yes.
this little crinkle to it. And just a heads up, this is not fitting small, but it's fitting structured.
Yeah,
like,
yeah,
you know.
yeah.
So if you
So
want it
if
a
you
little
like-
bigger, you might
what is
want to
this?
size
Yeah.
up.
This is extra
Extra
small, so
small.
you can tell.
Yeah.
If you want a little roomier, yeah.
Yeah. So we're going to
Lovely.
layer, look at that. We're going to layer these up over the dresses as an
Yeah.
open shirt. Wear it also with the skirt
Tiny little
Style.
white
Yeah.
black cami, you know?
or with jeans.
Yeah.
I mean, it's endless, really.
Endless. Gorgeous.
Endless possibilities. Yeah, super
Gorgeous.
exciting.
Wow.
I know.
Beautiful buttons.
Great job.
Great
so-
length
so
too.
happy.
Yeah, absolutely
Yeah, it's got
perfect.
this scooped edge, bottom here, a little higher on the side.
Right.
Yep. Flip the
Flip
cuffs.
the cuff, flip the collar.
You're all set.
You're all set.
All right, lovelies. Well, we hope you enjoyed this drop from Cut Loose. All the size charts are online. Just with a heads up with the skirt, I would size up. And even the little vest, unless you
Yeah.
want it pretty tight and you don't and you're not very busty, then you'll be fine.
Yeah, but check the sizes on the measurements on
Yeah.
The chart side.
Yeah. And we'll be here tomorrow. I'm going to be here tomorrow to style these up for you. I can't wait. It's going to be so much fun.
Okay, lovelies. Well, I had great fun.
Yeah.
And I already have my eye in my mind. I'm dreaming a little,
Of the vest?
what I would wear with the vest. You know.
Yeah.
It's nice to play.
Yeah, absolutely.
And you?
It's cute. Well, the vest is adorable. I love the shirts
the
and
shirt,
the dress. Well, and the skirts and I'm a skirt and dress person,
Yeah.
so
the skirt too.
both of them are like
Dynamite.
dynamite.
We have a lot of pens in the boutique too, not just Cut Loose, but
Yeah,
from the other
others too.
brands. We've got quite a few great summer pens. So, lovelies, well, I hope you liked it, and be with us tomorrow. Bean is gonna style, and I can't wait to watch that. Okay, lovelies, as always, keep on smiling.